Friends, we have exited the motorway and are going on a dirt road, and we need to join the old route that goes to Naran, Kaghan, Balakot, and we will meet you there. Right now I have a video for you live. They harvest onions from their land here, so we take onions to eat. Look, they have raised chickens. There are onions.
This is bad. No, these are brought from inside. The ones outside are not good. Obviously, they are bad. If we get these ones, you never leave anything that's free, do you?
We don't leave it anywhere.
Take a chicken, do. This chicken can make a pretty good barbecue at night. Look, it's standing here.
Friends, there was a dirt road inside the village and we are walking on it. There are onions lying around in many places, so we thought we would take some for dinner, otherwise we will buy them later. Show this man, the brother has given us a whole bag full of onions.
It is more than a kilo.
It's more than 2 kilograms. That means you've saved 500. Brother, we try to save. Thank you, brother. Thank you. The brothers didn't even take money. They were very good people. Very good people. So we've got the onions. Now we need tomatoes, and then we'll get some chilies and such. Put them in the back. We don't leave free things.